Even today, Turkoman racing isn't by any means a conventional business. For one thing, the jockeys are always small boys of 6 to 8 years old. For another, the horses are raced without shoes, and those that are shod have them removed. Apart from that, the racecourse procedures seem familiar enough to our eyes. Racing is, after all, a kind of universal language. Its hopes and fears and disappointments totally international. The horses are stallions of between 2 and 9 years. Here they race over a 3-mile course, a real test of speed and stamina. But before the cult of the horse could attain its full international flavor, trained horses themselves had to move out of Asia.